Hey, Chris Menard, Microsoft MVP for Copilot. Great feature using Copilot in Outlook, New or Outlook. For the web, you can use Copilot to help add prep time and hold time or buffer time, if you want to call it that, to your calendar events. Let's dive into this right now. I'm looking at my Outlook calendar for the week of July 19th through 25th. I want to point out I've got a lot of different events. But as an example, on the 21st, I've got an HR meeting followed by a budget meeting. These are all fictitious events, by the way. Here's the issue. I've got a lot of training going on in Copilot. For example, the 20th, I got Excel Copilot training part 1, and then I got another training the next day for Excel Copilot training part 1 in the afternoon. Well, what I want to do is for any time I have training, I need a 30-minute prep before that training event. And then after the training event, just to make sure if it's running long, I can answer people's questions, or to get the results into our learning management system, I need a hold block in there. I could manually do this, but one, it would take a lot of time, and two, I got to keep making 10 different events because I've got 5 different trainings. So let's watch Copilot take care of this. I'm going to use the microphone. If you want to type, you can. You do need to be very specific always with your Copilot prompts. And also, it loves examples if you can give it one. So here we go. Look at my calendar for Monday the 20th through Friday the 24th. I have a lot of different events. Anytime you see training and the word Copilot, I am going to need a prep block before that. The prep block needs to be for 30 minutes. After the event is over, I'm going to need a hold block, and the hold block needs to be for 15 minutes. As an example, on the 20th, I should have a prep block from 8:30 a.m., and I should have a hold block starting at noon to 12:15. Then the same thing for the 21st, a prep block at 12:30, and then a hold block right after the Excel Copilot training part 1 ends. Do this for every Copilot training event for this week. Do not do it for any other meetings. As an example, the budget meeting on the 21st, don't do it. Go ahead and add the blocks, but I would like to confirm each one. You do have it correct. There are 5 different Copilot training sessions, which means there should be 10 blocks. Again, I want to confirm them. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Let's confirm. Copilot picked up that it made a mistake, and I was hoping it would, especially since I'm recording a video. And it came back and said, hey, we made a mistake on Monday the 20th. They put all 10 blocks, prep and the hold, all right before that class. So it said, hey, I can delete these and go give it another shot. And I said, yes. When I've tested this in the past, it's always worked great. And of course, when I'm recording is when it doesn't. But let's confirm this right here. All right, we're getting there. Copilot looks like it's still working. But if you look on the 20th, I got a prep block before, I got a hold block. Look at the 21st. There is my prep block. There is my hold block. So this is looking really good. I did this for just 1 week. I could have done it for multiple weeks or even an entire month. Now, let's take it a step further. The prep blocks are really important to me. Obviously, the training's important to me. I can't miss the training. But I want to see if it'll make the prep blocks a different category color. Looking good. Now, can you do this for me? Thank you for your time. If you have any questions for the week, email can you learning them into a different color. Let's say purple. And if you need to use categories for a purple color, I don't care. All right, I can tell it's still working, but it got them correct. Chris Menard with the Baker Training Team. So there you go. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to show you a great feature to make the different hold blocks a different color. Copilot for the web. Actually, how I really work. I'm Outlook visual on my calendar. So I like to see these different colors. It's a great calendar feature that will save you a lot of time whether I'm in training, planning your prepping, whether it's an optional event. This is kind of how I work. So this is a great feature right here. And again, I did it for 1 week, but I could have done multiple weeks or even a month. Huge time saver right here. Thank you for your support. feel free to sign up for my online training classes.